Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. We're making 3D paper flowers with Cricut. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to show you how to make any of the 3D rolled paper flowers. Open your Design Space app and create a new project. Click on Images and then type in 3D flower. There are 10 different designs for you to choose from, so choose the type of flower that you want, the one that speaks to you, and click on it. If you are using a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock paper like I am, drag the flower out to about 10.5 inches wide so that it will fit on the mat. Click on the Make It button. Make sure that your material size is set to 12 by 12. Then click Continue. Go over to your Cricut machine and make sure that the dial is set to cardstock. Place your cardstock paper squarely onto the Cricut mat. Make sure that you smooth the paper out. Load your Cricut mat into the machine by pressing the Load Unload button. When the Go button flashes, press the button and watch your Cricut machine do its thing. When the machine is done, press the Load Unload button again to release the mat. Weed away the unnecessary part of the cardstock paper and throw it away. Gently peel the paper flower design off of the mat. Place the design so that the end of it is on your left hand side and the swirl is going counterclockwise. If you enjoy Cricut crafts, I got you. I have a whole playlist of them for you to check out right after this video. To start the roll, you're going to need something skinny to wrap the design around. I used my Crafter Square Embossing Stylus from Dollar Tree. Now Cricut recommends that you use their quilling tool. However, I didn't have this tool, so I just had to make it work with what I had. Wrap the end of the design around the stylus very tightly. Continue wrapping the cardstock paper, making sure that it is tight as you can make it. Make sure that you are wrapping it so that the bottom of the roll continues to be even. When you get to the end of the design, there is a circle tip that you will use for the bottom of your flower. Fold that part over the end of the rolled up flower. Now you're going to let your rolled flower loosen just a little bit. Use your fingertips to hold the flower in place and prevent it from unraveling. When you are loosening it, the bottom of the rolled flower should not be larger than the circle bottom that it sits on.
They're all doing very different things, but you can unite ones if you find a lot of value.
Hold the flower together and lift it up to put a generous amount of hot glue on the circle base of the flower. Hold the flower onto the hot glue for about 30 seconds to make sure that it is secured. Glue the very last petal down to the petal in front of it. Now, you can curl the petals if you would like, but this part is optional. You can either use the tips of your fingers or the embossing stylus to wrap the ends of each petal around so that you get a curled effect. And there you have it. We've made a super cute 3D rolled paper flower with Cricut. Here's a brief shot of my design assistant Nala. Alright, back to the craft. Now, I will show you how each of the 10 designs turned out so that you can choose the style that you'd like to purchase. All of the 3D flowers from Cricut are priced at 99 cents each. I thought it would be helpful to you if I made them all and then show you how they look so that you can spend your money wisely if you choose to. This first style has petals that look like gumdrops, and this is how it turned out. I think it's some sort of rose. This second style has smaller arches in its petals, and it looks like this. The third style has triangle spikes, and it kind of reminds me of a dinosaur tail. This is how it looks. The fourth flower has tiny little ridges, and here's the finished product. Flower number 5 has petals that look like hearts, and here's how it looks when it's put together. Number 6 has huge spikes for petals, and this is the finished result. The 7th flower has thin round petals. This is what it looks like. Flower number 8 has wavy petals, and for some strange reason, it reminds me of the Nickelodeon logo. It looks like this. Number 9 looks like a spiral staircase. Here's the finished flower. The 10th and final flower looks like train tracks. And this is the final product. There you have it. Alright friend, we accomplished a lot in this video. I showed you how to make a paper flower from start to finish. And I showed you how all of the 10 Cricut flowers look when you put them together. In the comment section below, let me know if you've ever made these flowers, or let me know which one was your favorite. If this video was helpful to you, hit the subscribe button and the like button as well. For more crafting ideas, you can always check out my website at DeAnnCreates.com. You can also follow me on Twitter and Pinterest to stay up to the minute on my latest creations. Until the next time, I hope that you add a little more creativity to the world and keep coming back, because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.